In today's video, I'll show you how to download and use a 100% save file for Hogwarts Legacy with male and female characters. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files. Inside the manual download option and select the download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you need to log into the site, guys, and then it will start download. After the download done, you can find another link in my description. This will unlock 100%. Scroll down and choose the character you like. I'm gonna select the Gryffindor V3 female and select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon and right click on this editable new game plus and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and just minimize this stuff here and in Epic Games click on the three dot icon next to Hogwarts Legacy and select manage. Turn off this cloud saves and then just close stuff here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Type here Hogwarts Legacy, just double click on the Hogwarts Legacy folder and double click on save games random numbers and editable new game plus save files. Just drag and drop all these files inside your save game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Then just go back and open this Gryffindor folder. Open the folder again and just drag and drop this save and replace the file in the destination. And then just close it off here and launch the game. After you are in game, you just need to drag your mouse to first option and press in keyboard F key and you can able to see Gryffindor common room. Just double click on this second option and as you can see we have successfully installed the 100% save game for Hogwarts Legacy. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.